Assalamu alaikum guys. So today I am welcoming again you to my YouTube channel which name is Wider Picture, and today we will discuss about the speed of the light. So what is the speed of the light? Speed of the light is basically the distance covered by the light in whatever the time you will give. So firstly, this is some picture which shows us the animation of the light. So now we will move towards our the main topic, and before knowing about the speed of the light, we must have to know about the speed. So what is speed? Speed is equal to distance upon time, in which distance is numerator and time is denominator. So basically, if we have to calculate the speed, we want to calculate the speed, we have to divide our distance by the time. Suppose you have to cover 1 kilometer distance in 10 minutes, then your speed is equal to 1 kilometer divided by 10 minutes, in which 1 kilometer is our distance and 10 minutes is our time. But basically we do not take kilometer unit with minute unit, so we convert both unit in some other forms, like 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, and 10 minutes is equal to 10 into 60 seconds, which is 600 seconds. So our speed is equal to 1000 meter divided by 600 seconds. If we divided it, then it is equal to 1.667 meter per second. What does it means? It means we if we have to cover 1 kilometer distance in 10 minutes, then our speed is minimum. No, it's not minimum. Our speed have to exactly 1.667 meter per second. It means in single second we have to cover a 1.667 meter. We can also calculate it in kilometer per hour. There are lot of units to cover speed. For calculate it in kilometer per hour, we just convert minute into the hours by divided it with 60. Like 10 minutes, if we have to convert 10 minutes into hours, then we have to divide it with 60. So is equal to 10 minute divided by 60, which is equal to 10 by 60 hours. Now we move towards the speed of the light in a vacuum. So what is vacuum? Vacuum is the space in which there is not a single medium, there is no any medium, that is called vacuum. So speed of the light in a vacuum is 299,792,458 meter per second. So what does it mean? Like in previous slide I will tell you, like in this slide I will tell you about that in 1.667 meter per second is equal to, which means we have to cover 1.667 meter in a single second. So what 299,792,458 meter per second means the light can cover 299,792,458 meter in a single second. Now we will move towards the 1 light year. So what is 1 light year? 1 light year is a basically the distance covered by the light in a single year. So light year is a unit of length used to express astronomical distance and is equivalent to about 9.6 for 9.46 trillion kilometers, which is equal to 9.46 into 10 raised to 12 kilometer, or 5.88 trillion miles. So we can basically convert it into kilometers to miles. So how to 1 light year is calculated? So our formula is equal to speed is equal to distance upon time. So if we take time into the left hand side, so distance is equal to speed into time. So we just have to multiply the speed of light with the time, which is 1 year. So our speed is equal to 299,792,458 meter per second into 1 year. So now the unit of time is meter per second, but unit of time is equal to year. so we cannot divide it, we cannot multiply it. So for that we have to convert 1 year into second. So how to convert 1 year into second? So basically we know that 1 year is equal to 365 days. Now 1 year is equal to 365 days. Now 1 year is converted into days. Now 365 days, so we have to convert days into hours. So in single day there is 24 hours. So 365 days is equal to 365 into 24 hours. Now we have to convert hours into the minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, so we multiply it by 60. And now finally we have to convert minutes into the seconds. So again 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, so we just multiply it by 60. So when we multiply the all of the digits, then we will get 945425495558800, which is equal to approximately 9.46 into 10 raised to 12 kilometer. So this is the basic thing of light year and speed of the light. I hope you guys like this video, and if you like, then please subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.